Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to make one of these fidgets. So let's start. Let's get a baggie. Okay, and open it. And you need a water bottle with water inside of it. And dump it in here. Then don't try to spill it. Okay. Fill it all the way up until you have it here. Okay, now close it. And then there you go. If you guys like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Bye.